everyone. Welcome to our channel Biology for All. In this video, I will show how to represent a nucleotide. Nucleotide is a unit of DNA. In other words, DNA is made up of structures called nucleotides. Each nucleotide has three parts: a phosphate group, a pentose sugar, that is, a sugar having 5 carbon atoms, and a nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous bases are of 4 types: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Now, let's see how we represent a nucleotide. First, draw a pentagon. For knowing exactly where to connect the nitrogenous base and the phosphate group, let's number the carbon atoms. The numbering starts from the right hand side, so we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth is outside. The nitrogenous base is attached to the first carbon atom, so we draw a line and then a rectangle to represent the nitrogenous base. Then, at the fifth carbon, we draw a circle that represents the phosphate group. Once complete, don't forget to give the title Structure of Nucleotide. We don't need to mark the numbers, hence I'm erasing the numbers.